Buenas tardes, mis amigos. Estamos en Montevideo, Uruguay. We are on our way to the Bosa Vineyard. Why, you may ask? Because Uruguay is not only known for the best beef in the world presently, but they also have excellent wine. We're on our way to the vineyard to learn about the Uruguayan grapes that they grow here, how they make the wine, and the best part, we're going to sample some of it. Maybe we'll sample a lot of it. Hope you enjoy the episode. That's it. Look at these cars and you're gonna like it. Well, apparently this is a large garage of classic antique cars. What that has to do with wine, I'll never know, but here we are. And there's the requisite crying baby. Oye. Bobo, the happy clown. Where are you?
Right here.
Hola. We're going apparently. It is summer here and this is supposed to be the hottest place on the planet today, according to the news here. So they gave us umbrellas to protect us from the sun.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Mary popped one.
The sound of it is something quite atrocious. If you say
You said 2 kilos, 2 kilograms. Is that per?
Amount of grapes that we are gonna have in February to start the harvest.
Oh,
Those are the grapes
that's
that
how
are
many
the-
grapes you grow.
The better ones, basically. Those
The
two,
best.
The best.
Okay. He's saying the 2 kilograms of grapes, those are the best quality of the grapes that they grow. So I told him 2 kilograms doesn't sound like a whole lot of grapes, but that's the premier, the best. And now we're gonna, I guess, see the grapevines.
Oh, I'm so excited.
How many, like roughly, how many bottles of wine do you produce per
year?
Yeah.
180,000 bottles.
Oh, so that's actually considered small by like a California vineyard, for example.
In California,
It's like 9 zillion that they produce. Okay, so that's why they market as a boutique.
kind of.
It's like a higher end grape, a higher end winery. So the quantity, 180,000 bottles, I think, is all he produces at this winery. And on that note,
supercalifragilistic.
cool. So you have some wines, some of your bottled wines, the wooden, others, the steel.
Yes, it depending more than anything on the grapes. Red grapes over here and white grapes over there,
Gotcha.
generally.
Okay, generally. We have the wooden barrels and the metal barrels. The white grapes, generally speaking, go in the metal. They can control the temperature more. Whereas the red grapes go in the wooden barrels, which the wood is a porous substance, right? So it's more natural air, which is good apparently for red grapes. For white grapes, they don't do that. That's how he had just explained it to me. Hello, hello, hello. Now I'm an expert on winemaking. To the cave, at last.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
That's when we started to memorize our wines. And so we're going to have 1 line of wines per one.
Well, the first wine is a Chardonnay, and we're supposed to pair it with a shrimp. First, I'm going to take a little taste. I want to taste it by itself. Good stuff, good stuff. Now I will take a bite of the shrimp. It's very light, so it doesn't compete. You wouldn't want to have this with like a red meat, for example. But with a light seafood or shellfish, it's perfect.
What is that? Basically, this Pinot Noir is from the vineyard of the seafood. And why is that?
Extremely light Pinot Noir, very light. Now I'm gonna take a piece of the Spanish tortilla. It doesn't compete with the flavor of the tortilla. Very light Pinot Noir.
Okay. Limited edition. We are standing in limited edition right now.
Get a whiff. Hint of fruit, not very fruity. And I'll take a bite of the food it's supposed to pair with. They certainly picked the right flavors to pair with their wines. Some kind of pate, what looked like bacon to me was not bacon. It's kind of a sweet vegetable of some sort. Can't identify it. This is the fourth wine we're tasting. It's a Tannat only, Tannat grape. And it pairs with, we have a meat and cheese empanada. To me, my taste, it's subjective. To me, more of a fruity background taste. They definitely paired the right wine with the right food items. Well, we had our tour of the winery, which was fabulous. We had a sampling of 4 different wines from here. They paired each wine with a small sample of shrimp or tortilla. Really showed off the wine. Very delicious, very satisfying, excellent host. We've actually found that in Montevideo, the people are just really great. They're just great personalities. They're wonderful to be around, they're wonderful to talk to. We're having a great time. So stay tuned, we got more food coming up. Until next time, hasta lasagna, baby.